Daniel. He is a little bit more than 3 months old. Oh, he's 14 weeks old today. And the first time he got adjusted, I think he was like 4 days old. And he is, I've been told, he is a very easy baby. And after he gets adjusted, the amount of time he spends fussing, it goes noticeably down, and he sleeps really well at night. So I definitely think that there are huge benefits to getting little babies adjusted.
Right. So we're going to work on Daniel, see if there's anything going on with him today. And he's been doing really good, so. Are you ready? Here we go, Peanut. Ready? Good job. Good job. There's the big smiles. Ready? Good job. Actually, it looks really, really good. Actually, we're done. That's it. That's it. You did so good. Yes, you did.